hot outside. Alright, so here at the Austin airport, I got absolutely hoed on my flight back to San Antonio. I was like, it's not even that far of a drive. Let's fly to Austin and then get an Uber. Jeez, look at this color, man. Anyway, it was my first time flying Spirit. There's like something ironic about flying Spirit to go pick up my Mercedes. It wasn't even that bad. Flight attendants were nice. The flight was on time. No cancels, no delays like the American flight. And it's like, hey, it kind of gets a bad rap, man. I fuck with Spirit, just enough. Hello, for Eric, right? What? For Eric? Yeah. Yes, sir. San Antonio's really boring, right?
Huh?
San Antonio's really boring?
Yeah.
There ain't shit out here.
Have a nice day.
Of course, man. You too. Thank you. You're the best. Oh, fuck me. Colored seat belts, the carbon fiber, the watch. Oh, motherfucker. Test out the sound system first. Hey, man, I don't know if the camera's gonna stay. Oh, that's a good first impression angle. Before I go too much further, I do need to figure out these mirrors, man. I thought they would automatically come down like the other ones. Hopefully they're not broken. What the fuck? 20 minutes in the instruction manual. Took off the push to start button. I need to realize that they're not power folding, bro. I realize this angle's probably crooked. It'd probably be better if it was like that, but I'm sorry. You're gonna have to... It's in comfort mode, man, and it sounds like that. It doesn't sound as good as the GT, but I can tell you this is so much more comfortable to drive. I never drove the GTS before I bought it, which is like, was really fucking stupid, but I assumed, I saw all the reviews, saw all the shit online, it was like, it's the 911 killer. Nothing even comes close to it. And don't get me wrong, it was fun as fuck to drive. It was a riot, super flat around the corners. The handling was amazing. It was just like, I didn't expect the proportions to be so, like, the front end is fucking massive. So I would have to, like, go like this when I would go over a bump or something. Even after driving it for weeks and weeks, you kind of have to, like, guess where the front end is. I've heard the same thing about, like, Corvettes, Vipers, just that clown shoe. Maybe even, like, the Ferraris with a super long front end, like the F12 and the 812 and shit. But those are dream cars right there. That, hey, man, give me 2-3 years, that car is for sure gonna be on the channel. But I think it's a little warmed up right now. This specific car was like baby. It has all the service records, track records. He replaced like pretty much everything before he sold it. He actually worked at the dealership where I bought it from. So I was feeling good, man. He's got the carbon fiber paddles right there. He's got a carbon fiber, I think, little splitter. We got the carbon fiber spoiler as well. Probably gonna upgrade all that. I can't wait to just, bro, this is gonna be a fucking sick car for the channel. So much content coming. Tunes, upgrades, car meets, meetups with other AMGs. Like it's gonna be awesome. Pretty much exactly what I wanted to do with the AMG GT, but this is just a lot more comfortable of a package. And I'm hitting these roads, speed bumps. Texas doesn't have the best roads in the world. They're definitely better than Cali. They're definitely better than some. I heard Michigan has bad roads. There's a lot of car YouTubers in Michigan and they're just like, don't drive over here. So like, I'm kind of spoiled in Texas, but even then, there's bumps, there's potholes, there's little road rashes and shit, and it's eating these bumps, man. The GT would be like, boom, and I'd be like, oh my God, did I just fucking like break something going over a bump? It wasn't uncomfortable, but it was like a really true raw sports car, and you could daily drive it. That's the thing, right? Everyone online says you could daily drive that thing. That's not true. Maybe I'm just a pussy and I really like comfort and shit, but this is like sexy for cruising. It's getting looks. I'm getting some neck turns right now. Hit the exhaust button. Oh yeah. Oh. Quick turn to sport, probably sport plus. Yeah. We got a small tunnel. It's an underpass. It's not really a tunnel, but. Bro, this thing's downshift. God, does my camera still even work after that, bro? Hello? Test? Sony's? Y'all are fucking killing it in the game, man. That shit just took a tumble. Raining, man, which also, I mean, low-key could be a little fun. Rear-wheel drive V8. We got 3 trucks in front of us. Some real Texas shit going on right now. Oh my. Fuck me. Got a little box from eBay right here. First addition to the car. Just something slight. This is one of the most crucial things you can add to any Mercedes, and I'm kind of upset mine didn't come with it, but this is OEM, straight from the factory. I believe this one is specifically for the C-Class. So we got a little ashtray, baby, and it's supposed to fit. Oh, let's go. There's an ashtray right. I think this is an ashtray right over here, but it's kind of a piece of shit, and it's like all the way deep in there. But like this, man, come on. Yeah. Also, loving the Benz. Let's go. This thing is a goddamn ride. Oh my goodness. Arguably almost more fun to drive in the GT because you can really push it. I mean, not really push it because it's like 500 fucking more. We're gonna add more though. Brazilian steakhouse, man. If you know, you know. If you've never been, you gotta try a little celebration dinner. Just you know, we can't just be here and not celebrate the new car. At this level. What?
Where's he at?
Oh, you're joking. Oh, he already brought it out, I think. That's its headlight right there. Wow. What a car. Hello, hello.
Whoa, hello. For you?
Yes.
How old are you?
21.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You bought this?
Yes.
What do you do for work?
I do YouTube and then like social media marketing for like brands and stuff. Woohoo. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. Is it unlocked? Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh.
My.
Oh, it's like that. Recording?
Now I push it?
Yeah. No, you don't have to push anything. It's all recording already.
Okay.
Turn that up for the sound's sake. Come on, guys. Oh, dude. Wow, that's definitely illegal speeds, but shit. Oh, those go to jail speeds right there. God damn.
Yeah, yeah.